Hey everybody, welcome back to Sonya Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. Have you ever wanted to make the ultimate bean dip, but we're stuck with just doing layers and guacamole and beans and sour cream and having it just sort of bland just like everybody else's? Well, today we're going to take this can of refried beans, some of the Sonya Sweet and Spicy, some key ingredients, and make the ultimate bean dip that will keep everyone coming back to you for this recipe. So let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sonya Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here today. And I am going to show you an amazing bean dip that you can make that is truly so simple and easy. But before we get started, go ahead and hit subscribe here on our channel. That just helps us remind you of when I have a new recipe going on, what we have updated, and of course gives you notifications on what we have happening here in our sweet and spicy kitchen. Now, I got to show this to you. I tried peppers for the first time in a very long time, and I got these little jalapenos and I left them on the vine. Apparently they were mini jalapenos. So this is an actual ripened jalapeno. When you do get jalapenos at the market and they're green, it's because they're picked early, and that's probably when they're the hottest. As they remain on the vine, or if you're lucky enough to get them and let them sort of ripen on their own, and they start getting that little brownish maroon top, and it's sort of the red kind of makes its way down. This is the color that it should be. So this is definitely a ripened one, but it is so mini, it's almost too cute to eat. We're not going to be adding this to the recipe today, but I probably could, and you could too. Now, another little announcement is I am very excited and proud to announce that our 8-ounce size was a true hit in last month's August trade show over in Phoenix, Arizona, where I was showcasing Sonya Sweet and Spicy in the new 8-ounce size. This is the 16-ounce size, this is the 8-ounce size. Perfect for stocking stuffers for the upcoming holidays, gift giving, if you're doing gift baskets and fruit baskets and different things like that, where you're putting a collection of different flavors into baskets or boxes. For gift giving, this is the right size. Now, I was fortunate and very blessed to have gotten together with Derek and Angela Theilke with Northwoods Cheese Company. They are located in Wisconsin, and they are our new distributor. Yay! Gotta do happy dance. We're not doing food dance yet, but we're gonna do happy dance. So they are going to be receiving their order within the next couple of weeks. We are shipping that out to them, and if you are on the East Coast, or if you're part of any of Derek and Angela's collection of customer base, then definitely check out their website. They're going to be posting this soon. And I'm also excited to be on the Curate website, and I will link that down below as well. If you are one of the members of the Curate website, then you can also find the our 8-ounce size on there, and it's going to be readily available, and I'm very excited. So thank you to Derek and Angela, thank you to Debbie Quintana, Linda Eskridge, Leanne from the Basket Case in Florida for all of your extra kudos and love that you gave to me at the show. Sean Parola, you're in there too, and there are so many names that I could list right now, but I got to get to this recipe. So, oops. We're going to be making a bean dip with an amazing product that I found at the National Gift Basket Convention. This is by Miner's Mix, and this is called the BODACIOUS Bean Dip. This is an array of pre-measured spices that they've gone ahead and packaged into this little package, but it takes all the guesswork out of it. This packet, along with 1 can of refried beans and 1 entire 16-ounce pint of sour cream, makes a lot, and I'm talking a lot, of bean dip. So what I've been doing is I usually cut this recipe in half. So what I've got is half a can of refried beans, which you go ahead and you heat up ahead of time. And you've got your 1 cup of sour cream. The magic equation to this is add about a 1/4 cup, or this is actually about a 1/4 cup or a 1/3 cup of chopped Sonya Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candy Pickle Jalapenos, and we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up. Now, the key ingredient to this is you're going to be adding the refried beans in a bowl, and you're just gonna heat that up until, just to make it a little bit easier to mix, which makes a huge difference because if you know refried beans, they come out of the jar and they're a little bit, they're harder to maneuver per se. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my sour cream, throw that in there. And I'm gonna add all my wet ingredients first and mix that up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the Miner's Mix Bodacious Bean Dip. And this is all fresh. You do not add any kind of preservatives, which is great because I can't do preservatives. And it's all ready to go. And they are really wonderful people. They are out of Mariposa, California. If you don't know what Mariposa means butterfly. So they're in a happy place over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up all the wet ingredients first. I'm gonna show you what this looks like and then what it's gonna end up looking like. One thing I do want to mention is that whenever I try out a recipe, I try it out on family and friends first. And these are the ones that get the big thumbs up and ooh, 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 where can I get more of this? So that's always a good sign. So when I vet my, my family and friends and my hungry neighbors and hungry family members, they always say, oh, is this going to be on the video? So yes, this one is on the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the half of a packet that comes in here. So we're making a half a batch than what this normally makes, because you'll see this is going to make a lot, and this will serve quite a number of people. So what you have here is your mix of Sonya Sweet and Spicy. You've got your refried beans, you've got your sour cream, and we are just gonna mix this up. The ingredients that are in here, and I'll just name these off really quick, is you've got chili powder, granulated garlic, you've got granulated onion, cumin, salt, sugar, and black pepper. But it is precisely mixed into these little packets that come inside this little box. And what I end up doing is I end up chilling this out in the refrigerator for about an hour before I serve it. But you can see this has a beautiful rich color. This is a great rich color. The magic behind the madness here is adding the Sonya Sweet and Spicy chopped up, because it's going to add an additional sweet and spicy flavor that you won't get unless, of course, you put them in there. So I've got this all mixed up. I'm not going to chill this right now, but I'm going to try this, see how it tastes, and let you know. So let's do this. I'm going to just dip this right in here. And I already know that this is going to be amazing. But this is the knock your socks off equation here, is this Sonya Sweet and Spicy. Try the rest of this. Get a nice little jalapeno on there. Perfect. This is going to be our afternoon snack today. Now, if you order a 4-pack by September 27th, 2019, if you buy a 4-pack of Sonya Sweet and Spicy 16-ounce jars, you are going to get two. You're going to get 2 of these. These are $3.95 value. You're going to get 2 of these as my gift to you. If you order within the next week and 1 day, you're going to get 2 of those. That will end up making a lot of bean dip for you. Now, how cool is that? That is my gift to you. If you are one of our subscribers, then by all means, you can get in on that. And if you are not subscribing, get on this. Chow, what is wrong with you? Get on here now, because this are the kinds of things that you can get ahead of and be on the front lines of great, spicy, sweet, and flavorful information. Now, as you can see, this is going to make a really hefty amount of bean dip in this bowl. So as I just kind of go through here, you can go ahead and chill it ahead of time or put it in the bowl. Just have it ready to go in your refrigerator. And as we are moving this along, I'm going to I set aside 2 beautiful sliced jalapeno medallions on the side so that we can garnish this, and I'll show you how I typically do this. Super easy peasy. Not difficult at all. I try to make these recipes as simple as possible. So what I end up doing is I've got my beautiful bean dip here. I'm going to grab a couple of the medallions of my Sonya Sweet and Spicy. I'm going to layer those on top, and I'm going to take a chip. So as you can see, this is a beautiful presentation, ready for your guests to just delve in. Now, as you know, we are always chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting here at Sonya Sweet and Spicy. This is something that is super simple. And of course, if you are on our website and you're on our channel, then you get information on the front lines. You'll get specials like what I have going on now. You can see us on Facebook at facebook.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. Check us out on Instagram at instagram.com/Sonya Sweet and Spicy. And keep up with us. And that is a wrap today, everyone. I am so excited to bring you yet another easy and flavorful recipe, and appreciate all of your support, your comments, your likes, and everything else. Please also comment down below. I will always respond to your comments, and stay tuned for next week on another amazing recipe here in Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. That's it. We're gonna take off now. We're gonna try another one of these. Gonna snap this open, try this out, and do the happy food dance. So that is it for today, everyone. Have a great rest of the week, and we will see you later. Bye.